guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Solo Leveling Season 2 episode number 10. I think so. We are going to start the episode with a small clash between Japan's S-rank hunters and the strongest hunters that Korea can offer, except Sun Jinwoo, because in this small match, assassin type hunters are not allowed. I think so. That's where we left up in episode 9. And yeah, so without wasting much time, let's get to the episode. Okay, 4 versus 4. Not everyone is not going to fight. I thought everyone is going to fight. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. This is our first proper S rank versus S ranks, right? I don't think so. They will go for. Oh, wow, he grew size. I don't think so. They're going to go all out, but it still will be interesting to see. Wow, okay. Nice. Jojo. These are speed, right? Wow. S ranks, man, wild. Okay, his was long range combat. Okay. This is cool, man. Hulk type character. A sweat bead. Reassess the reinforcement standards. Even wow, yeah, of course. As we all know, S rank hunter is a very broad term. There are levels to this shit. Nice. Now the combatant type. Okay. Wow. An S rank hunter feeling a little bit scared, huh? Wow, okay, nice. That's a good tactic. He transformed. Oh, wow, that was quick. Wow. He's a rampant liquor. When, come on, don't do it off screen. I'm disappointed that they didn't show how that guy beat the Hulk type character. Oh yeah, yeah. This is the first time we are seeing chess fighting style. Yeah, we have not seen anything. I think so from her. Nice. Whoa, she is fast. He is here. He is faster, right? That was wild. He's sturdy. Nice. He woke up. This got more interesting. Nice. Again, S ranks. Not regular nobodies. Is it Sun Jinwoo? What? Is he going to fight? Dead. When I was not expecting that was wild. Wow. Hunter Bake is also eliminated. Going all. Are those really that strong? Japanese hunters? When what's happening? Wow, this turns so interesting. Excited. Nice, nice. What is condition? When animators are going to go all out, I can already feel it. The strongest Japanese S rank hunter and the strongest Korean S rank hunter. Nice. And from what I can see, Japanese S rank hunters are not at all weak. They beat Hunter Bike, right? His name, the Transformer. Hmm. Come on, show it, show it. What's going to happen? This she's the healer, right? Healer from the first episode. I don't get what's going in her mind. Am I misremembering? She is the hunter in the episode one of season one, right? Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. She has weakness, right? The scent. I completely forgot about it. Of course, makes sense. Yeah, he has his suspicions, right? Wow. Ooh, ooh. Nice. That was like a bullet, man. I got really spooked. Don't get over cocky. Come on. What's he doing? Oh wow, he's playing with this guy. Nice, nice animation. Again, I thought they're going off. My it reminds me of My Hero Academia, man. The tournament animation. Hmm. He caught him. Hmm. Wow. They're really going all out. Nice. Yeah, bullshit. So Nyenwu, he's playing with him. What? Bullshit. Ah, and whose power is ice? Okay, his power. Hmm. Why? Wow. Okay, so Geto has that kind of hmm. His reputation, huh? What? When so many mind games are happening here. Wild man, wild shit. So he has shadows with them, huh? Nice. Hmm. He's not going to go with them. Hmm. Sanjin Woo. The name is spreading. Hmm. As I thought. Yeah, he must have. But again, I'm surprised. I do remember him not going, but I forgot. I didn't think people can reject not going. I thought it was like a drafting. Like if you're drafted, you have to go. This is serious. So yeah, they gave them considerable freedom for refusing, huh? Ah, wow. Yeah, I forgot this too. Last episode, very emotional. Mother awakened. Yeah, this is the first time, right? Yeah, after 4 years, proper dinner. He wants to stay with his mother for a little longer. We're finally seeing them. Ah, there she is. The mother ant, queen ant. It hatched. It is meta. Is it transforming? I don't remember it happening this way, this fast. I do remember this character though. Peak character. Wow. Pink is pretty. Hmm. But they no, yeah, they are flying now. They are becoming humanoid creatures. Again, HN, if you have watched Hunter x Hunter, this is eerily similar to that. There is an ant arc too, if you are surprised. Just as a fun fact, it is my favorite shonen anime of all time. Hunter x Hunter. Hunter x Hunter is the best shonen anime. I will proclaim that, and Gon is the best shonen main character. That's my thoughts. Yeah. So they were. I remember him from the episode 1, and she is a healer from the episode 1. Isn't she already traumatized enough to go to Jeju Island arc raid? We are starting. We're starting this episode itself. I thought next episode they will. Wow. Wow. Again remember seeing this kind of scene in episode 1. It was the third failed ride, right? That's what we saw in episode 1. They have been hyping it up for so long. Almost 24 episodes, right? Oh no, man, this guy is going to die. Again, sorry. This is not a spoiler. I don't remember him dying, but he's written in that way. Again, red flag. Please be careful. But this brat is allowed? Wild. He's multiple people are going to die here. Wild shit. I remember her. Okay, they are not going to go on raid. Okay, they are going to stay as a backup unit, huh? This guy is not going? Maybe not everyone is going. Okay then. Who is this? Healer, S rank healer. I thought so. Again, red flag. Red flag. Nice. Oh no. Japanese guys are also a little red flaggy. I don't remember who is going to survive, man. Who? Can he grow in that suit? If he wants to? Will it grow with him? Yeah, I understand the seriousness. That's why I thought the way they were letting people not join, like allowing people not to join. I know it is their freedom, but in these dire situations, everyone is sent to the war, right? Nice, the music is getting epic. Wow. Okay, only 1 hour, huh? Time is ticking. Man, things are going to get bloody next episode. Wow, that's clever. Nice. Oh no, oh no. Everything is going too well. Wow. Ants were clever. Is he going to blast all them? All of them? Wow, that's one way to do it. Well, true. Oh, wow. So many mind games again this episode. I completely forgot about daily quest, man. He's still doing them. Of course. Or else he will get punished. Foreshadowing. Yeah. It moved. Where is it then? Where is that sun then? Oh no, is something is going to happen to him. Oh no. Okay. No, 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 no. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. Okay, it came here. Well, the episode ended there. Things escalated quickly there. Oh my god, my god. I was expecting again the common anime tropes of showing like the camera started lingering a little too long on the faces, like they were started to make jokes and all those things. Okay, again, so that's why I was bracing myself, and again that happened. I was thinking that the person whose shoulder got hurt, I don't remember his name, the strong man, he's going to be the one who's going to get killed suddenly. But no, that was a surprise for me. Like suddenly the healer got killed, which makes sense actually. Killing the healer will make the job easier first. So yeah, that was again intelligent. So that shows the enemy is like has more intelligence. It's not just a brute animal, brute beast. So yeah, wild shit, man. She's dead now. The bloodbath has started. Wild. S rank hunter just like that, gone. I don't know what else to say. This episode was hype as any other episode of this whole season. This whole season was hype. Again, I'm excited for the Jeju Island arc, man. I now that I'm seeing it and realizing that of course Hunter also has an ant arc or all those things, and it being my all-time favorite arc, it might be the best arc I've ever experienced in an anime. Again, so Attack on Titan does have better arcs, but yeah, in shonen, at least in shonen anime, the best arc, Hunter Hunter's ant arc, and Solo Leveling is also having, I think so, the best arc is the Jeju Island arc. So if I had a nickel every time we had a best arc in a series, and it being related to ants and ants being the bad guys, I would have 2 nickels, but it's strange that I have 2 nickels. So yeah, I don't know. It's great, man. It's finally great to see the adoption of my favorite arc. I've been dreaming about, not continuously, but when I was actually reading the Jeju Island arc, I remember Beru and seeing the wallpaper. I don't want to spoil you guys much, but it was hype. It was very hype. That actually supported my mental, what is it, mental welfare. What mental welfare? Mental health actually. Like even through all the studies, the anticipation of reading Solo Leveling each and every week, that was enough for me. That's what kept me going during that time, and I was trying to imagine how this fight would go, how this would go. I never imagined like there would be an anime adaptation. Like of course it was popular even then, Solo Leveling, but I don't know. I was not expecting an anime adaptation, but it's nice to see this finally happening. I don't think so. Will they complete JJ Island arc in this season? I think so. Like the things are moving fast enough. We already have the beast here. I will call him Beast. I won't say his name. I don't know. Not to spoil you guys. I don't know if it is a spoiler, but still. So maybe I can see it some way getting completed, or maybe they will end it in the middle as a cliffhanger. Most probably they are going to end it as a cliffhanger. I don't know, man. Anything that the studio does, I am up for it. I have been very satisfied with this season, and yeah, nothing else to say. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction, and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. And yeah, and if you did, please guys, please like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so they will get notified on my the reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and thoughts on my reaction. If you have any tips or suggestions for me, please guys, please comment down below. If you don't like something, just it's free to do. Just interact with me, talk with me. I reply to each and every comment. I reply to even any other anime recommendations. Or if you don't like me saying that Hunter x Hunter is the best shonen anime, please put forward your opinion. Let's have a chat. So yeah, nothing else to say. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you guys for watching me, and thank you to those who have already been supporting me, who have already subscribed, liking my videos, sharing them to their friends. Thank you so much. I don't know what else to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.